Elevate your real estate game with Joshua's Video Mastery for Realtors. In the competitive world of real estate, standing out is the key to success. The game changer for real estate agents looking to boost their leads and sales through the power of video. Hey there, Realtors! I'm Joshua's Humantar, and he's on a mission to help you take your real estate business to new heights using the incredible tool of videos. Let me show you how. Gone are the days of static property listings. With Joshua, he creates dynamic and engaging property showcase videos tailored to your brand. Imagine captivating your audience with a virtual tour that makes them feel like they're already home. People connect with stories, not just properties. I'll teach you how to tell compelling stories through videos, creating a unique narrative for each listing. This builds trust and resonates with potential buyers on a personal level. In today's digital age, social media is your best friend. I'll guide you through the art of creating shareable content that boosts your online presence, making you the go-to realtor in your community. Let's talk leads. I will provide powerful analytics, helping you understand what works and what doesn't. By leveraging data-driven insights, you can optimize your video strategy to attract more leads and close more deals. So, are you ready to revolutionize your real estate business? Let's embark on this journey together. With my expertise, we'll turn your real estate dreams into a reality. Schedule a consultation with me today, and let's elevate your real estate game. Your partner in real estate success. Elevate your brand with us today.